Hello, friends, fellow freedom warriors. We are standing here in the middle of Freedom Square and marching with the film crew and the writers, the filmmakers and the writers, to protest the government because it is the artist's responsibility to criticize the regime, especially the regime that is going against its people. The government has infiltrated many fields of art and appointing their own party supporters. Our ancestors, my parents, our older generation used to live under communism, used to live under greater repressions, but artists, filmmakers, and poets and writers still would criticize, still would go against the regime. Many would be killed, many would be jailed, and many would be sent to the gulags, but artists will always fight for truth and freedom. Aumărჯოს დამოკიდება საქართველოს. აუმერჯოს.